guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiravelli, and today I'm coming at y'all with an install of this hair. This is a 20-inch kinky curly wig from Megalook hair. I believe it's a 13 by 4. I'll have everything. Why can't I talk? I'll have everything linked down below, so if you're interested in this hair, go check it out. And yeah, this is a vibe, a little chill, smooth install, nothing too crazy. And yeah, if you guys want to see the install process, keep on watching. I'm doing an install on this hair. It is a 20-inch kinky curly wig from Megalook hair, and this is just what it's looking like. I just put some foundation on the lace. I believe it's a 13 by 4. So this is just what it's looking like. I have my straps all done up, that's why it looks so tight. And last night I just co-washed it with some leave-in conditioner, and I just had it braided in 4 braids just to stretch the hair out a little bit, because when it's super dry it shrinks up a lot. So I just wanted to have some length to it, and then I'll just add some mousse to it when I'm done. But okay, so this wig is actually like built wet mad different, so I'm gonna just stick to the way I know, and just spray my got to be. Sorry, I got a little freaked out, so we're just gonna stick to what we know. I'm gonna just speed through this because y'all already know the vibes, so let's just get to it. Okay guys, so I cut all the lace off. This is what we're working with right now. I'm just gonna put my scarf on for a little bit just so I can melt in. But right now the lace is looking like scalp, like she's looking real good. So I'm gonna just tie the lace down for a little bit while I'm gonna go wet the hair and put some mousse on it just so it can like be how I want it, because it is shrinking a little bit. So while the lace dries, I'm just gonna go do that. And there's a bunch of stray hair everywhere. So I lost my spray bottle, so I have to go to the sink, so I'll be back. But she's looking pretty freaking good, if I do say so myself. So this is what we're looking like. Cool, she looks good. And we're just gonna do some baby hair. I don't think I'm gonna do nothing in the middle this time. I'm just gonna leave it as is, and we're just gonna do some soupity swoops and call it a fucking day. So you already know the vibes. Speed through this, and I'm gonna come at y'all with my thoughts. so I'm done with the baby hair. I just did like my regular little baby hair, nothing special. And I do just want to bump it up a little bit because I like it like that. But first I just want to get my part straighter. Even though I kind of suck at getting a straight part, like I can never get my part straight no matter how hard I try. But I'm not gonna give up. I'm still gonna try to get a flat part. I mean a straight part. Okay, I think that's good. And then first I'm just gonna take some of my gel, so my got to be glue gel, and I'm gonna put some on the part just so I could brush it and get it flat. I'm just gonna take a hard brush and just brush that out. I need to invest in a hot comb. That's something I need to invest in because it would actually come in handy, you know? Like, I've been seeing people use their flat comb, hot comb, and I'm just like, wow, why don't I ever think to get that? Like, when I'll be at the hair store, well, throwback to when I would be at the hair store because you cannot go to the hair store right now. But I used to be at the hair store, I used to see it and I'd be like, wow, this is like cheap. But I never bought it. But next time, I promise you I'm gonna get a hot comb because my life would be so much easier, especially when I wear straight hair. But the good old brush trick, it gets you right. See, look at that. So now I'm gonna just bump these two pieces up. So comb that out. I hate that sound. Okay, and I'm just gonna take some more gel and put it right at the front there. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my edge brush and just brush that back into the hair. I just want to let y'all know this is my hair. Like, this is not a wig. Y'all did not see me put this wig on because this looks like pure scalp. Like, what are you talking about? But for the final touch, I'm just gonna take some mousse and put it on the front parts just so it stays like nice and flat. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I think she looks good, scalpiana, like lace wear. Let me know. I just went with my regular baby hairs. You already know the vibes, and this hair is fire. Like, when I first took it out the pack, I was kind of scared. Like, it was so shrunken. I was like, damn, I'm gonna have an afro in this bitch. But I just put some mousse. It stretches it out. It's way longer. It like is past my titty, but the shrinkage is real, baby. And this is the 20-inch kinky curly hair from Megalook. I'll have everything linked down below, so if you're interested in this hair, let me know. I'm very satisfied with how this hair came out. I'm ready to see what it looks like when it's all dry. But this is what we're working with right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back soon.